a worry-proof and a waterproof smartphone from Realme this 2025. It's just January and we're launching a lot of stuff already. Dust and water resistant, has the highest ingress protection rating, IP66, IP68, and IP69. Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle. Today we are going to unbox something new from Realme. This is the Realme C75. Roll that clip. C75. So Realme sent another box, which is a hot box, which you guys need to watch out for the next Realme video because I will be testing the C75 on water, drops, and other stuff. So you guys have a clue on this already. But for now, let's unbox the C75. Okay, same with any other Realme box, it's going to be yellow. Okay, there are some specs here at the back which I will be reading out to you. We have IP69 dust and water resistant, 6000 milliamp massive battery. We have powerful Helio G92 Max chipset. We have tough armor shell glass, 45 watts, Super VOOC fast charge, and 90 Hz full HD display. This one right here is the 8 gig RAM and 256 storage. The color of this one is Storm Black. So let's unbox this one already. Medyo tight. Okay, same with any other Realme phone. They still have the tagline, make it real. And in this would be the casing, I guess, and the SIM ejector pin. So we have quick guide. We also have safety guide, the SIM ejector pin, and we have the case. And we have the cable, Type-C, and we also have the charging adapter, which is a 45 watt Super VOOC charger. Now for the reveal of the phone, this is the Storm Black. Parang matte pero glittery ang effect niya. Put the light into it, oh. Parang iba. May, nakita niyo yan? Parang ibang layer din. Subtle, pero it's very classy. No? Meron siyang ibang parang strokes and waves. So we have 3 camera setup, 50 megapixel AI camera. So every camera now has AI. Depende lang how they use it. Pero I like yung touch of subtleness niya sa likod, yung design niya. May mga glitter siya. But if tatamaan siya na ilaw, may parang deep purple, medyo shiny, tas may glitter din siya sa back case niya if you guys don't see it. But triple camera setup. Tapos there's a flash there. I like the design. Yung feel niya sa kamay is sturdy. Okay, so on the back, you guys have that. There's a power button on the right and volume rocker right over there. And on the left, you have the SIM card tray. At the bottom, you have the speaker blaster, Type-C charging port, microphone. On top, wala na siya. So check lang natin tong SIM card tray niya. Mahaba, oh. Dual SIM, tapos it has a memory card. I think expandable up 1 terabyte. No, I think 2 terabyte to, no? For this quick unboxing, we're gonna talk about the difference of the IPs. Yeah, meron siya IP6X, which is for dust. They have the IP66, IP68, and the IP69. So the IP6X, it means that it's dust-proof. Now, this C75 is dust-proof and waterproof. Yung IP66 naman, it means that this can withstand yung water jets in all directions. IP66 yun. Yung IP68 naman, it means that it can be submerged for up to 1.5 meters, mga around 30 minutes. Now, the IP69 is the highest rated one. It means that it can withstand high-pressure water jets, kung splash man siya or natamaan man siya, with high temperature, mga up to 80 degrees Celsius naman. So, syempre yung heat. And syempre, kasama na yung submersion underwater. Kasama na siya doon. So, hindi lang enough na magkaroon ka ng IP68 or IP69. Maganda maraming kasama doon. IP6X, 66, 68, 69. At saka isa sa mga maganda dito sa phone na to is this one has water ejection. Now, we will discuss that in the next video. But you can just imagine a smartphone that has water ejection feature, yung kanyang sonic wave, which we will talk about in the next video. But for now, unboxing naman tayo tsaka first impressions. They designed and set up this phone na talagang high endurance sa liquid exposure, no? Ready siya for anything that can happen to your smartphone. For any liquid damage, this one is safe. We're not recommending that you guys test it out yourself. I don't think that will be covered by warranty if on purpose mo siyang ibabasa. For accidental purposes, syempre, that's the purpose of having a phone such as the Realme C75 is you don't have to worry na masira siya sa water damage. Means lang, that your phone is protected, especially sa mga, I guess, mga nag-grab or madalas you have your phone there, so you don't have to worry na mabasa siya or masira siya kasi your phone is protected. It has a slim body. I don't think it's that heavy also. It's comfortable naman when I hold it. Talagang quality naman siya. Overall, yung build niya and yung feel niya sa kamay ko is pretty solid. It's not that we're finally moving on from the 5,000 milliamp to the 5,500, and now we're up to 6,000, which, syempre, those are the stuff that we need to get through our day. Quality and durable phone, and also enough battery for us to last the whole day without really charging anymore. No? So 6,000 milliamp battery. At the same time, if malobat ka man, you have your charger that comes with this one. So this one has per VOOC charge of 45 watt fast charge. So that is fast, 45 watt. So we have to test it out. So kanina, nabanggit ko rin na merong tough armor shell glass. So we're gonna talk about that. Those are some of the features pa. At syempre, 90 Hz ang full HD display at yung kanyang chipset na powerful Helio G92 Max chipset. Parang mga total RAM niya would be around 24 gigs. So may speed siya. I'm guessing pwede siya dito. Basic multitasking, switching between apps from YouTube, Netflix, or games, social media, pwede siya dito if you're going to do a lot of stuff on your phone, which all of us do anyways. 8 gig physical RAM and 16 gig dynamic RAM expansion. Also nga pala, if nabasa man yung phone nyo, don't charge it. Make sure you drain out the water first. Marami pang iba that we're gonna talk about in the next video, but for now, just wanted to show you guys what are you guys going to expect dito sa unboxing natin ng Realme C75. There are armor shell protection and armor shell glass. At syempre, na-mention ko na yung 45 watt super VOOC charge. This one also has a 400% ultra boost ng kanyang volume. It's loud. Syempre, yung 400% downward. Screen size of 6.7, full HD, 90 Hz. We're gonna talk about yung camera niya na 50 megapixel and others. Also yung kanyang selfie camera. We're gonna test it out soon, so make sure you guys watch out for the next video, okay? There's reverse charging, Realme UI, Android 14, mini capsule, air gestures, dynamic button, riding mode, rainwater, smart touch. Pero talagang isa sa mga unique feature nito is yung sonic wave ejection. And there are some more other features which we will be discussing in the next video, so make sure you guys watch out for that. Alright guys, that is it. Make sure you guys follow me for more updates and comment down below as well if you have any questions about the Realme C75, because I will be addressing them in the next video. Make sure you guys watch out for that because we are going to test out the durability of this Realme C75. That is it. My name is Mike and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!